Tuta.
Daddy, I slept in 3 beds today. First I slept in that one, and then I came to the living room, and then I woke up 2 times because I felt so cold. And then I climbed here and I took my mama to sleep. Yeah!
Good morning. Assalamu alaikum.
Oh, it's about the game.
Everything in your life is about game. Game is not reality. I'm your reality.
You're so cool.
Because I just wash my hands.
In the bathtub.
Yeah.
Did you sleep in there?
Yeah.
What?
Give me a huggy. You give me also a huggy. Assalamu alaikum guys. Good morning. Another nice and cozy morning in Lake District. This is amazing morning. Yesterday we checked in the weather. It must be sunny day, but today it's cloudy. It's almost 8:30 a.m. and right now I'm feeling little bit cold. So Shamir, what's the plan? How many places we are going to go? There's a drone down there. Don't step over. So guys, we are going to do bike riding and boarding, kayaking, hiking, and number of different activities, whatever we can catch today. Today, full day is in our hands, like how we can utilize it. Let's see. So stay tuned. I will keep you updating. I will make the drone shot now for this beautiful morning to cover it up. स्टेक करके सीखता है.
चलो ये बाइक का.
Take the next right towards Ambleside, then turn right onto Ambleside.
This place is so sweet, so cute. Lake Lodge. I really like that one. Yeah.
Driving her adventure.
Kanku. Off-road driving and adventure. Yeah, cool.
Ooh, gee.
This is self-drive.
Oh.
I can drive it, but where to go? Love this house, man. That's the another location we came for finding a bike riding area. What? What you want, Chota?
Are we going on the ferry?
Yeah.
Yay! I love ferries. But they are very loud. So how do you get home? Total adventure. Bob! Bob!
I think this is the place. Yeah, Windermere, a visitor guy.
Where's the hiking sticks?
Yeah, let's do the hiking.
Wait, that's a hiking stick.
Oak Cottage. Hello, little.
What about the ice cream?
Yeah, we are going to hike bike here. It's a long journey towards here. Hi, how are you?
How are we doing? You alright?
Yeah, we are good. We wanna, bike
You
around. Yeah,
yeah. You got them out. You booked them already higher, or you want them?
we want them. We
want
didn't.
to.
Yeah.
Because I'm waiting for somebody to.
Okay.
So I'm just checking that.
Actually, we are on the main road. They guided us to come here because it's
yeah.
next to the trail.
Yeah.
We need to get the ferry and go to another side.
That's
and
right.
On a bike.
So, how many bikes are you after? One for everybody, or?
Yeah, everyone.
If you can fill that out here.
Okay.
Kids, I'll need their names here and their ages here, and then for yourselves, the adults, just read through and then sign a date on that.
Okay, guys.
So you are coming up. We'll do them at the afternoon price there for you. So a standard mountain bike, £22. Mountain bike with the trailer and the £9. So I'll work it all out for you, and then I'll let you know.
Okay. Okay, it will be hourly.
I will do it.
It will be hourly basis or
Sorry?
it will be hourly basis.
No, so it's from now
Okay.
till
1 day.
4:15, 4:30.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Shami, come here. What other activities we can hire?
So here today, just the bikes.
Okay, just the bikes.
Tomorrow you can do kayaking and that, but we're not fully set up yet. For
Okay. Okay. Is there any self boarding, something like I can board some like
the motorboats.
Yeah.
So if you go back into town,
Yeah.
where the ferries, where the main terminal for the boats there, you can hire it there.
Okay.
Yeah.
We are staying at White. What is that? Yeah, White
Yeah, so
Cross
you'll-
Bay.
If you've walked here, you've passed that area. So
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Track along there, and basically you just keep the lake always on your right hand side. There is one or two little hills, not much, but you're always looking down onto the lake. When you get up to here, there's a small car park. The small car park holds about 15 cars. The temptation is there's a cattle grid before there. If you carry on up the metal road, you'll go up the hill and away from the Ray Castle. Go into the car park and continue on out the back end of it. You'll see that this track carries on. When you get up to Ray Castle, you can have a wander around Ray Castle. There's a cafe there. Lock the bikes up if you're off the bikes. And I would advise when coming back is actually coming back the way you came. It's straightforward, and
Okay.
you'll know that way you'll know how to pace yourself. There are other tracks, but to be honest, the kids, they're a bit more adventurous there. This track is the nicest track to do. Yeah.
Okay.
Just to add, when you get up this hill here, you come out on this little road,
Okay.
then turn right. You come by a church, turn right, you'll see the gatehouse for this road here, for Ray Castle.
Okay. That's great.
Dead easy.
Thank
Right,
you.
so if we can take you outside, and then we'll talk you through the bikes.
Guys, are we ready?
Yeah.
Okay.